Wear headphones for good quality of audio. Increase brightness of your screen for good quality of video.
In this period of COVID-19 pandemic, many things are going online, even educational institutions. For teachers and educational institutions looking to teach live online, there are many solutions for them. Here we are gonna get to know more about best apps for teaching online and its pros and cons and its best. This is Ashwina and you're watching Sarvesh channel. Come on, let's start. First, let's see about Skype. Skype is a telecommunications app that specializes in providing video chat and voice calls between computers, tablets, etc. It is owned by America-based Microsoft Technologies. Its advantages are screen sharing option to share the laptop screen and PC screen. Unlimited groups can be created and group members can chat in the group. One-to-one calls and chats are also available. End-to-end encryption for the safety of information communicated on call and chat is available. High-quality video calling allows students to see clearly what their teachers writes on the board or on the paper. Whiteboard, post a poll and hold a Q&A session inside Skype itself. File and media sharing capabilities are available. Calls can be recorded for future use. And most amazingly, it's free forever. But even though having this much great advantages, Skype lacks some important things. 1. The speed of the internet matters a lot for the quality of the video. There are chances that internet consumption is very high, and Skype only supports 50 participants including teacher at the same time, which is a fairly larger number for small classes. Next, let's go on to the Zoom application. Zoom is a video telephony application that specializes in providing video chat between various devices. It is owned by America-based Zoom Video Communications. Its advantages are Zoom has a limit of participants up to 100 including hosts. It has high quality video and audio including screen sharing and writing on the shared screen. Recurring meetings can be created easily. Screen sharing and polls are available. But even these advantages are there are some disadvantages. Zoom has recently been under some security problems because of leaking data onto the internet. Unlike Skype, Zoom does not provide chat options and the file sharing options. No groups can be created, but recurring meetings can be created. Calls get disconnected at a 40 minutes time limit on the free plan. Paid plans start at a very high price. Zoom offers a free plan which has a time limit of 40 minutes and starts with a basic paid plan of around $14 per host per month, which is approximately rupees 2000 in INR. Next, let's move on to Google Meet. Google Meet, as the name says, Google Meet is a multi-purpose video calling app designed by the US-based Google LLC. So the advantages of this app are, it is the best video calling app for educators so far in the list. It easily integrates with Google Calendar, Docs, Sheets, Drive, Classroom and many other amazing Google products. Screen sharing and chatting are available when on call. Recurring meetings can be easily set from Google Calendar. Unlike Zoom, Google Meet has unlimited meeting time limit till 30th of September 2020. Recording support available and recordings are automatically saved to Google Drive. And in terms of security, Google Meet is end-to-end encrypted. With full security, Google Meet is an awesome choice. Now let's move on to its disadvantages. Groups cannot be created, but recurring meetings can be created. No app is available for desktop and PCs and is only available on the web for PCs and desktops. So finally, we are going to compare all the three. Skype. It is available on Mac OS, Windows, Android and iOS. It has no direct web access. It has a participant limit of 50 members at a time. It has unlimited meeting time and multiple participants can be shown on a single screen video. Screen sharing capabilities available. It has a recording support. It's free forever and it's end-to-end encrypted. Skype can be downloaded from skype.com. Zoom. It is available on Mac OS, Windows, Android, iOS. It does not have direct web access. and it has a participant limit of 100 participants at a time. 40 minutes limited meeting time on free plan. Multiple participants on a single screen. Screen sharing capabilities available. It has a recording support. It's free with time limits, and basic plan starts at $14 per host per month. It has some security issues, and Zoom can be downloaded from zoom.us. Next, let's move on to Google Meet. It is available on the web, Android and iOS. Direct web access is available, and it has a participant limit of 100 participants. No time limit till September 30th of 2020. Multiple participants on a single screen of video. Screen sharing capabilities available. It has recording support. It's free till September 30th of 2020. It's end-to-end encrypted. Google Meet can be used at meet.google.com. So ending this video, there are many other apps with the same features, but these three apps are the best in the market so far, and that is only in my opinion. You can also try some other apps like GoToMeeting, which is a fully paid software and does not provide any free plans like the above ones. And also check out G2C, which is an open source alternative to this. And also Microsoft Teams, which is free with Microsoft Office, and also Cisco WebEx, and the list goes on for the alternatives of these video calling apps. Between these three apps, I personally suggest Google Meet in the first place for educators for its features, security and participant limit. Then I would recommend going with Skype for its security and video quality. If you want a larger participant limit and a smaller time limit and you don't have any issues with your privacy, then consider going with Zoom. This is Sarvesh signing off from Sarvesh YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon right below to get notifications first from my channel. Stay home, stay safe, stay creative. Thank you.